Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can apply color strobe effect in CapCut. So tap on your project, select your photo, your video you like to edit, and here I already have one project with the video. So how to add the color strobe effect? You are just going to effect, select video effect, and in the trending you can find the color strobe. So tap on it and tap on it again to adjust for the option here, for the speed, for the color, for the filters, and then intensity. If you are done, just going to tap on check mark and adjust for the effect until finish the video, or you can adjust the effect in certain part. Right, so that's how to add the color strobe effect in CapCut. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.